Now we are going to study about unit number 7. We previously discussed element and compound. Now we are going to discuss about a mixture. For element and compound, it is necessary for atom to chemically combine with each other. But for the mixture, it is not necessary. When two things are just mixed together and they are not chemically combined, they don't change their property. That is basically mixture. Some of the examples that are given in the book, that is soda, cool drinks we drinks on a daily basis, juice, tang, lembu pani, they are great example of it. Vinegar is a great example of solid, and the last example are solid and solid. Like coins, we stack different coins together. Smoke is a great example of mixture because it have different kind of gases. If I have a pile of rock that contain different kind of rocks, that are the example of mixture, and sand and seawater are also the example of the mixture. For mixture, it is necessary that it can be easily separated. They keep their original properties and the proposition won't be fixed. Like we can use it in any ratio or mix it in any ratio. As we previously discussed, compound and mixture need to have a chemical bonding. These atoms need to have a chemical bonding with each other, or otherwise they won't form a mixture. If they are not reacting with each other, they are not chemically bonding, that is mixture. Mixture is further divided into two types: homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture means all substances in the mixture are mixed evenly and we cannot see them. For example, if I mix sugar and water equally with each other until the sugar is not visible, that will be example of the homogeneous mixture. For the heterogeneous mixture, it when the substances are not evenly mixed. Like if I mix sand and water with each other, each of the thing are very visible from my eyes and I can tell, and they are not great mixes. Like I can see, I can pull them apart very easily. That is the example of heterogeneous mixture. Some of the uses of the mixture are lemonade, as we have previously discussed, our breakfast cereal, and milk. They are the great example. Vinegar is a mixture of water and acetic acid. That is the mixture. Glass is a mixture of different material. For example, sand, soda ash, limestone. They are basically the mixture. And petrol is also the mixture of the different hydrocarbons such as heptane, octane, and other stuff. They are also a great example. Milk is also an example of mixture because it contains water, protein, fats, and other substances. As we have seen, we have a lot of uses of mixture in our daily basis. Mixture and compound are different things because compound is the chemical combination, but mixture is a physical blend. Remember, compound two atoms are reacting with each other, but for the mixture they are not reacting with each other. Alloy is also a great example of the mixture. What is alloy? Alloy is when two or more metals, remember, two or more metal combine with each other, they form an alloy. It can be in a solid form, it can be in a liquid form. It have metallic properties. It react as a metals because it have metal in it. It is used in many different things: industries, construction, automobile industry, aerospace, jewelry, each and everything. Alloy is used in basically all of the industrial uses. Another example is our atmosphere. Our atmosphere have different kind of gases, as we can see from the pie chart: nitrogen, oxygen, argon, carbon dioxide, and different gases. These all are present in our environment. That's why atmosphere is a great example of the mixture. That is it for this chapter.